How to make your Telegram channel request to join. So if you want to make your Telegram channel request to join, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram, now you just need to simply go with a channel in which you would like to add a request to join. So once you've selected the channel, make sure that you've created the channel and go with the top, which has a channel name, and now go with the top right, which is pencil shaped icon. And first you need to go with the group type and make sure that your group is a private group. If you have set your group to a public group, you just need to simply go and set it as a private group. Once you set that as a private group, you just need to simply go with invite links and then tap on create a new link and go with the top right, which has request admin approval. Turn that on and tap on create link. You can either add your link name and then tap on create link. Once you've created the link, then what happens is you will have the option of request to join. You can simply copy the link or share it to the other persons or to your friends, and if the other person taps on the link, then they will be taken to your group, and without your approval they won't be able to join the group. So that's how you can make your Telegram channel request to join. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.